students, we are explaining here your unit 3rd electrochemistry. In this video I explain you equilibrium constant and Nernst equation. Equilibrium constant, it is denoted by Kc. In 11th class we study about equilibrium constant. In reversible reaction, you know, when rate of forward reaction is equal to rate of backward reaction, then equilibrium is maintained. And it is shown by equilibrium constant Kc, and it is equal to concentration of product divided by concentration of reactant. This all we study in 11th class. Now, what is the role of equilibrium constant here? Here also equilibrium constant and a relation between Nernst equation, or we can say equilibrium constant and relation between standard electrical potential or E naught cell. Here we take a equation that is of Daniell cell. You know already, I explained you zinc plus copper ion, zinc convert to Zn2 plus, and copper ion take up electron and convert to copper. When we apply Nernst equation, then what is Nernst equation? E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 upon n log zinc concentration, because it is oxidized, or in the product side, or copper concentration in the reactant side. Students, when cell going on its working, then what happen? Zinc convert to Zn2 plus, and zinc ion goes to the solution or its electrolytic solution. So it means in the electrolytic solution, concentration of zinc ion increases as time span. You got my point? As time span, जैसे जैसे समय बीतता जाएगा, concentration of zinc ion increases in its electrolytic solution, and copper ion from the solution goes to its electrode, so its concentration slowly decreases. I repeat my point. Concentration of zinc ion increases in its electrolytic solution, and concentration of copper ion decreases in its electrolytic solution. दोनों काम हो रहे हैं. So that time the reading that shown by voltmeter is decreases time to time. The reading shown by voltmeter decreases, and at one point it reaches to 0. At one point E cell becomes 0. That is point known as, or we say, equilibrium is maintained in a cell. When voltmeter shown its reading 0, that time we say equilibrium is maintained in cell. That time Nernst equation we can write 0 here because E cell is 0. E naught cell we write here minus 0.059 upon n log zinc ion upon copper ion. You know what is equilibrium constant Kc? Kc is the concentration of product divided by concentration of reactant. What is product here? Zinc ion and Cu as a solid upon reactant copper ion upon zinc as a solid. And you know very well the concentration of solid is taken as 1 unit. So when we put 1 here, then Kc is equal to Zn2 plus concentration divided by copper 2 plus concentration in its aqueous solution. So in above equation, in place of Zn2 plus oblique copper 2 plus, we can write Kc. Now apply Kc. This is equation first, equation second. Apply value of Kc in equation first. Then you get equation 0.059 upon n की जगह 2 and log Kc, because Kc is also equal to zinc ion concentration divided by copper ion concentration, solid and solid concentration taken as 1 unit. Now we can write it E naught cell is equal to 0.059 upon 2 log Kc. That is the relation. 2, because electron transfer is 2 here. When 1 you can write 1, you 3, then you can write 3. So that is the relation between E naught cell and Kc. Now time to calculation of Kc for this reaction. E naught cell of Daniell cell, I already told you, it is 1.1 volt. You write here log E naught cell is equal to 0.059 upon 2 log Kc. Log Kc is equal to 2 multiplied by E naught cell divided by 0.059 is equal to 2 multiplied by 1.1 divided by 0.059. It is equal to 37. Log Kc is equal to 37.288. In exam, this is you taken anti-log of it. Anti-log of 37.288. And value is given to you in your numerical. Anti-log of 37.288 is equal to 2 multiplied by 37. 10 की power 37. You can write directly 2 multiplied by 37. That is value of Kc. There is no unit of Kc here. So what we will do? We first of all just take this formula. E naught cell is equal to 0.059 upon 2 log Kc. Log Kc कर रहे हैं. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, तो अपन ने यहाँ से Kc वैल्यू निकाली. Kc log Kc is equal to 37.288. Take anti-log for Kc. Kc anti-log 37.288 or it is equal to 2 into 10 की power 37. 2 into 10 की power 37. Anti-log value is given to you in your numerical, so you can write down here. Namaste.